Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Hilingdon Council Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Hilingdon Council Tax Login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.hilingdon.gov.uk. Just click on that link. Then you'll be redirected to the official website of Hilingdon. Now scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the sign in form over here. What you need to do is guys, just enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here, and once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset password. Then you will be recover your password so easily. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.